Hey guys, Brain here. Now, I was sent these XPETI hiking boots by the brand, and I'm super excited to dive in. I'm going to go ahead and film this video for y'all and basically just run through a bunch of the features of the boots. And I'm actually very excited because I just got back from Arizona, and that was my first real hiking experience, anything about any type of elevation. So I'm very excited to use this for our next adventure. And let's just dive in. So first things first, you got a little card here. Let's see what this is about. This just shows you how to like clean it and basically to take proper care of the boots. Let's go ahead and see the boots themselves. Now, I do like the fact that they are insulated and they just are overall really good for hiking. I'm going to go ahead and get these on and let you guys know how it is, what the quality feels like, and the comfort level. So I actually just took them out, and I can already see from the bottom that these are very, very good material. They're very sturdy. I like the fact that they have lots of grips on them, even on the front side, especially right here. Whenever you're on a side of a mountain, obviously you want it to have grip everywhere, even all the way to the back side. They do have this loop right here, which should be convenient, and a nice big thumb to fit your foot in. So let's go ahead and try them on. As you can see, they do have these optional higher loops right here. So you go ahead and tie it up however you need it, and then you can loop it on from each side like this, and then come around to this side, loop that as well. That way it really secures your entire leg and the entire portion of the bottom of your shin. Really protects you from twisting or anything like that. That would be bad. So overall, I got them on now. Let's go ahead and take a look up close. I do feel like they're a very sturdy material they're made out of. Obviously, I'm wearing shorts so that you can see properly what they look like. But I will say, I love the fact that they're minimal. They're black. They don't look super out there. But two, obviously, they have the, all the very nice grip on them, as you can see all around, and overall very sturdy. I can feel it supporting my actual leg, which is nice. Obviously I can tie them tighter because there's a bit of leeway, but I like that. It's super insulated and very comfortable. Actually, I could easily picture myself hiking in these, especially for long periods of time. So overall, it is a great option. For me personally, I'm going to be using this for hiking and camping in general. So overall, I definitely say go ahead and get it. I give it a thumbs up. These are awesome, and I hope you guys enjoy it.